Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. So a page would be like this one right here, Pokemon World. I don't own that one, but that's just an example. You may own some Facebook pages of yourself. So what you want to do to delete that is tap the menu in the bottom right corner, and then we want to find pages on here and tap pages. Then this is going to show the pages that you manage or pages that you own. If I want to delete the page, just tap on the three dots on the right side of that. So I'm going to tap on the three dots on the right side of Andy Path. And this UI is already different than the one that I used this morning. So when you tap this, you might just get a delete button right there. If not, tap on View Page and then tap on the settings in the top right corner. And then tap on General and then scroll down until you see Remove Page. And it says once you click delete, it will be unpublished immediately and only admins can see it. You'll have 14 days to restore it in case you change your mind. After that, your page will be permanently deleted. So tap the delete button below that. It's going to show you this same message. And tap delete page. Page entered deletion mode. You can cancel the deletion within 14 days. So I'm just going to go back to my pages now. You can see this is still visible for 14 days, but then it'll go away. I don't know why that's a different process than the one that I deleted this morning. You may have the option to just delete it straight away when you click these three dots, but apparently some pages are different. Hope you guys found this helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.